today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Keap. Keap CRM is a platform designed to help businesses manage contacts, track sales activity, communicate with leads and customers, and automate follow-ups. If you're setting up a new account for the first time, this process is fairly simple, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. To begin, go to the Keap website. Once you're on the home page, look for the option to create or start an account so you can begin the sign-up process. Next, enter your business email address. This is the email Keap will use for your account setup and future communication, so make sure you use an address you can access easily. After entering it, click Next to move forward. On the following screen, type in your first and last name. Then enter your phone number in the required field. Be sure the information is accurate, since these details may be used as part of the account verification and onboarding process. After that, accept the terms and conditions. This is a standard part of creating most online accounts, and it confirms that you agree to Keap's usage policies and service terms. Once that's done, click Start My Free Trial. This gives you access to Keap's trial setup process, which is useful because it lets you explore the platform before committing to a paid plan. You'll then be asked to enter your website. Add your business website in the field provided. This helps Keap understand your business better and can support their review process. Next, click on the field for the product or service you provide. In this example, type in web design. You should enter whatever best describes your actual business offering so your account information is as accurate as possible. After that, click on the field asking how many business contacts you have. In this example, enter 50. This information helps Keap understand the size of your contact list and how you may plan to use the CRM. When everything is filled out, click Submit. At this point, your free trial application is sent to Keap for review. After submitting, you may see a confirmation window. Click Close to exit that message. It's important to know that Keap will review the information you submitted to verify your business. After the application is reviewed, someone from their team may contact you once your account is approved. During normal business hours, this usually takes less than an hour. Once approved, you'll receive full access to your free trial and can begin exploring the platform. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.